What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video, for the first time in a long time, I'm showing myself, and I got a little bit of a mini mullet going on over here. We're still trying to grow it out. Today I wanted to show you guys and give you guys my first impressions on the DXRacer Craft Series gaming chair. I've used it for a few days now, and I just wanted to give you guys my just overall thoughts on my first impressions on the chair itself. I am sitting on it as we speak, but I will be in the future giving you guys a full in-depth review, just because I do want to test the chair out for a good few weeks. That way we can really break it in, and I can give you guys my full and honest thoughts after a long extended period of time of using it. So I do tend to sit at my desk pretty often since I work from home and I game quite a bit. So a good chair is honestly really important for me and my setup, just as I'm sure it is for a lot of people out there as well. So let's take a look at the build of the chair. Building the chair took me less than 15 minutes. It's super simple, and the design of the chair really made it all that much more simple. Like, the arms already coming built into the chair itself. Usually when building gaming chairs, I find this to be an extra step. Here, DXRacer has simplified it. Another awesome design choice is the side plates being magnetic. If you guys have built gaming chairs in the past, I'm sure you guys know that you usually screw in the little side plates. Again, here we have DXRacer minimizing the amount of steps you have to take in order to build this chair. The process is quick and seamless. You can really tell the quality control of all the parts that you have to put together is very high. Never did I struggle in putting it together, and from all the chairs I've put together in the past, almost every single time you're having some sort of issue with rust or parts not lining up perfectly, it makes the experience hard for no reason. And with DXRacer, I honestly never ran into that issue. The building experience is really great. Hopefully it's across the board for everyone that gets one of these chairs. So I wanted to talk about the design of the chair itself. It's absolutely stunning in my opinion. It's such a head turner. Here we have the Lucky Always special edition office chair. It features a koi fish pattern, which is flawlessly embroidered to really create a unique look that you don't often see with gaming chairs or office chairs. It's not really minimal at all, so the crazy design might not be for some people, which I completely understand, but for me personally, I really loved it, and I think it goes great with my setup. So on the website, you see that the recommended weight in height is 200 pounds and 5'7". I myself, I'm a little bit over 200 pounds and I'm 6 foot in height. And I fit really well in this chair. The maximum that is recommended by DXRacer is 250 pounds, and I believe 6'7" if I'm not correct. But again, yeah, I will say I do feel slightly too big for the chair, but again, that's just slightly, mainly because I'm so used to the massive Razer Isker. In comparison, that chair is a beast. As far as weight, I haven't had any issues with the way the chair moves and behaves. I can roll around really easy and smoothly at my setup with this chair. The max load and height for the chair is 250 pounds and 6 feet, so I fall right under those limits. So that's something to keep in mind when you guys are making your decision. The chair is made out of PU leather. Material looks great and is consistent all around the chair. You can adjust the chair up and down as you please. You can recline, move the armrest up and down, side to side, forward to back. And one last thing that it also includes is the integrated lumbar support. I was surprised to see it featured here, and I'm glad it does have it. A side mounted dial enables the chair to be effortlessly adjusted. It's really easy to adjust. It will push forward or back depending on your preference. I will say the back of the chair honestly feels super hard, almost like leaning against the wall, which is kind of crazy. That's why I want to give the chair more time, as maybe with a little bit more use it will soften up a bit, but so far it hasn't been the most comfortable to lean on. That's honestly my biggest concern with the chair so far. Lastly, it does have a little head cushion right here that you guys can see, which is very comfortable. It's kind of made out of that memory foam, and it sits really just perfectly on my neck, and it feels so good. So yeah, that's probably one of my favorite parts so far. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into these specs a little bit here. The price on the chair is $479 US at the time of this video, which is pretty steep, especially when you're looking into chairs that are this level of quality. They do tend to get a little bit pricier in comparison to other kind of office gaming chairs. In my full review, I'll be making comparisons to the Razer Isker, as it's in the same ballpark of quality and price. My overall experience with the chair has been mainly good. It's comfortable, I fit well in it, and the design of it really resonates with me. I honestly really love it. Again, my main concern has just been how hard the back of the chair has felt. The cushion you sit on does feel so comfortable, which is a pretty good, but it's not consistent with the back of the chair. I think it may have something to do with the lumbar support that maybe it wasn't really padded that well. Honestly, I'm not quite too sure what time. Maybe it'll soften up. I don't know. We'll see. I will give you guys that month after review. So let me know if you guys have any questions in regards to this chair. I will be answering all your questions in the next review as well. So if you like content like this, make sure you tap this video right here for more.